9th Gen slightly taller than the 8th Gen though, both share nearly identical length and wheelbase. The newer model emphasizes a broader stance and higher cabin, giving it a more commanding road presence. The all-new 9th generation Toyota Hilux features a bold cyber-sumo design concept inspired by the stable, muscular starting stance of sumo wrestlers. New side rear step board featuring designed for easier access and added style. Ninth Gen rear bumper design wider, more ergonomic step sections for easier cargo bed access. New back camera location. The 9th Gen C-shaped LEDs instantly differentiate it from the 8th Gen, signaling Toyota's move toward a more executive, lifestyle-oriented pickup. The main difference between the 8th Gen and 9th Gen Toyota Hilux lies in their design, philosophy, and technology. The 8th Gen is a rugged workhorse with traditional styling and diesel-only powertrains, while the 9th Gen adopts the bold cyber-sumo look, premium features, Toyota grille, tailgate lettering, C-shaped LED taillights, integrated spoiler, and even electrified variants. Thank you for watching. Full review on 9th generation soon. Please like and subscribe.